guys, we are making Donne Biriyani. This is green chili. This is coriander leaves. This is mint leaves. This is Donne Biriyani masala. This is turmeric powder. This is onion. This is fried onion. This is tomato. This is garam masala. This is ginger garlic paste. And this is salt. This is oil. This is rice. This is curd. And this is chicken leg piece. We should take this all ingredients. We should grind coriander leaves, mint leaves, and green chili. We should marinate chicken, and we should put that grinded ingredients. And we should put fried onion. And we should put garam masala. And we should add ginger garlic paste. And we should add salt. And we should add turmeric powder. Mix well. Add curd as well. Stir it. After mixing well, close the lid and keep aside for 1 hour. We should put oil. And we should put onion. And we should stir it. And we should put tomato. Now we should take the marinated chicken and we should add. And we should stir it. And we should put Donne Biriyani masala. And we should stir it. Add some water. And we should stir. And we should finally add the coriander leaves. Close the lid and wait for 3 whistles. quickly whistle. It is ready, our Donne Biryani. Hope you like the Donne Biryani and this video. You liked means subscribe, share, comment and like also. Bye bye.